Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to edit your profile in Robinhood. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to robinhood.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on Account option, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, find Profile. Here, you can see Edit Profile option. Click on it. You can add a profile picture by clicking on this plus button. I have chosen the profile picture from my device, and you can also change the theme by selecting the colors. Now to change the username, simply delete this username and type in a new username here. And click on Save Changes button. And that is how you can change a profile picture. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.